parts of the drive on the right. It all.
Okay, so once again, good positioning for safety. We talk about the plan method. I like this position because we can see. You see how we can see really far? So this way we can, you know, stop if we see this person starting to apply the brakes, because then this person starts to apply the brakes. It's easier to see locating hazards. Good line of sight, good escape path. And this is actually kind of like your space cushion too. If our space cushion isn't that great right here, we have that escape, and I treat this as my space cushion. The only thing you have to really watch out for is anybody kind of coming over, but let them in if they do that. Let's see what happens here.
Happened so fast that the rider just couldn't react in time.
So this is good. It's gonna be a road surface hazard, maybe. Oh, yep. Hit something. Oh. Yep. Let's take a look at real-time speed. So probably didn't see the road surface hazard because this is a great space cushion. Didn't see it because of the bridge. So at this point, I'm looking at his speed. So he's going 75, 73, 73, 70. Okay, all the way up until then. If you see something like that happening, if you see something like this happening, start rolling off the throttle. Start increasing your space. Because they're going to keep going 75. If you go 65, 60, 55, the space is naturally going to increase. So start rolling off the throttle right now. Even if applying the brakes, start moving over into like your escapes already. Start, which is a good shoulder spot. Just start right now. We're not reacting at all to this situation. Yeah, hey, look, it's happening over there. It's happening. No. You never know when it can happen in front of you, which happens here. So just go and slow it down. And if it never happens in front of you and you're perfectly fine, then go ahead and increase your speed. Don't just wait. Like, you should know, but like right here, start rolling off the throttle. I get it. It might be like, oh, this is interesting. You're not paying attention because you're like, this is so different. I get that, but you gotta react a lot sooner than that. You gotta like start reacting. $70 miles an hour. Look how far he's gonna slide. Yeah. He's unconscious. Must be back in the day with all the masks.
Oh, everywhere. You take a pretty big spill. I think so, yeah.
I never understood wearing a mask when you're on the bike. But guys, make sure you grab a slice of pizza. We do have the Smart Rider Games booklet out so you can practice your parking lot drills, compete against me. There's a QR code with my time and what we're going to do. And it also comes with the digital version of the Smart Rider Games when you buy it. You can also just get the digital version. And each one of these has a QR code that you can click. It's going to take you to that video. Check it out. Links in the description. 15% off using code GAMETIME. Or walking outside. How a cop attempted to take my life. Okay. Going high speed. We're blurring out our speedo. There's that. Is that an undercover cop? That's an undercover cop. He's pacing you.
What you doing, bro? Oh, maybe it is.
He's pacing you.
Why?
Now you're going 80. You're not blurring the speedo. Oh, whoa. I don't agree with what the cop did.
What are you doing, man? Stop tailgating me.
So he slammed the brakes? So he slammed the brakes on you? The cop just said, what are you doing? Stop tailgating me?
Why he brake checked me?
He wasn't tailgating you. He wasn't tailgating. This isn't tailgating.
Oh, bro. What you doing, bro?
This isn't really tailgating either. I mean, the GoPro makes it.
Oh, maybe it is.
This right here is not tailgating.
Why he brake checked me?
All right.
Me.
September 21st, 2023, 10/9/40 northbound HOV connector. Okay. California. Okay, so we got... This happened...
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, this is all like the greatest hits. He hits a battery. It's a battery. Yeah, these are the greatest hits from MotoStars.
Yeah, that's me.
He doesn't do too well. Yeah. Not good. Very high mechanism. Not much. Could have done. You're not going to see that. He did a head check. Got a Cardo Pack Talk. Grab one. 10% off, link in the description. Probably stayed on. He's able to call 911 with that. His butt is all tore up. Everything's tore up. Hopefully nobody hits him. That would have just like completely damaged like the cars, that battery, but look what it did to him. Ugh. All right. So we're going through here, side of the vehicle. Watch out for that. Apply the brakes. Oh.
I am so sorry, dude. Are you okay?
Dude.
Are you
There's
okay?
a stereotype
Oh,
there.
no,
You want me to
man.
go to? You want to go to the hospital?
Yeah, dude.
Let's take a look at this. So he tried his best. He tried his best. Was only able to stop in time. Like, that's the best he could have done. Yeah, he trying to swerve left. He kind of tried to do that. Try to stop in time. The guy literally cut into his lane.
Yeah, dude.
The road conditions
All right,
changed so
here we go.
quickly that the rider couldn't save the situation.
Okay, so we're
Fortunately,
going
it
through,
was nothing
having some
more than
fun.
bless.
Good speed, probably talking on the cardos. Ooh, couldn't see that. He was kind of turning, and he hit the black ice at the same time. Thankfully, the other guy didn't crash. Look at the knee, though. That's why you got gear, guys. Ripped it up, but the armor protected him. Overall, not a good situation. Hopefully, the bike is doing fine. It's got crash guards. Hopefully, nobody else crashes. Just in time and friends. That's the name. What are you doing, Semi? Oh, he's right up. He hit him.
Hey, you gotta pull over.
Yeah, he hit him. Subscribe for part 2. What? All right, here we go. Red light coming up. Oh, what are you doing there, buddy? Oh, we're reversed. We're upside down. We're on the left side. I was like, what? Oh, not much you could have done for that. Let's wear gear. Back protectors can hopefully protect your back at the moment you do hit that hood. You're gonna probably get whiplash, which is not good. It's gonna be painful to sleep and everything. Oh.
The driver in front started pulling over, but then changed his mind at the last moment, completely surprising this rider. The biker's panic
Okay,
reaction.
a little bit close to that red car. I don't like it. I know we're trying to push that driver to the side like that. That person's coming back out. Slam the brakes. We slammed the brakes on that. You see it dive. We slammed the brakes, it dove, and then it flipped us over. So this is also kind of like a layer down thing. It was a panic brake. It was a panic brake. You could have just continued the turn. Oh. This is going to be one of those greatest hits. So we're coming up to here. People let people in. Not much you could do here other than try to apply the brakes. But when you see a gap intersection, that's why we go into orange stage. We're kind of covering everything. Interesting that... Yeah. Be careful with that. Please wear some gear as a smart rider requiring using personal protective equipment. It's got a helmet, that's good. But legs, arms, everything else. He's got a knife just kind of sitting there. Interesting. Hopefully it didn't impale him.
You got it? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Doing a quick assessment.
Broken. Sir, how old are you?
Can you cut this off? Can you cut this off?
How old are you, sir?
I'm 19.
Oof. Hey, little Honda Rebel. I love the little Honda Rebel. You got your high beams on. Oh, okay. See if we can rescue. Looks like he's, there you go. Ensure your own safety. You know, do what you need to do. Okay, he's out from underneath. That's good. Bike is kind of destroyed. T-boned a vehicle. Who's at fault? Doesn't really matter at this point. We're trying to figure out how it happened, and then help them out with stopping any major bleeds. Sean, the Protogen, a little too fast in the corner. Panic a little bit. We're going to dump the bike. We're going to go up and over. So how did that happen? Okay, we're probably going a little too fast. So we're going a little too fast. Hit something, or we slammed the brakes. It's going to cause some jostling in the bike. And now we're doing that. Okay, it's causing us to mess up. So try your best to lean and do that turn and then look where you need to go. We start to panic a little bit. We start going this way. So going a little too fast. Slow it down a little bit, guys. We're gonna hit that curb. It's just gonna mess us up. And at this point, you're a victim to physics. This is why we wear gear just in case. Okay. Not much gear here. Bike is done. I hope not. A little Honda. Probably survive that. We're gonna have a deer.
Farm animals up here.
Uh-oh. Then slow it down. Kind of approach them a little bit. Oh, on the side. Never mind. That was on the road. Intersection. Oh.
Off his camera that was riding his bike. It's pouring fuel on the exhaust. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
If your hand's hurting a whole bunch, try not.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So we're coming up to here. I wonder, it looks like we're going with flow of traffic. Not a big deal. We do have a line of sight problem when it comes to these trees and that fence. He put his hands on the handlebars because he's coming up to an intersection. But when we see this, we're applying the brakes and kind of going in the same direction. We see this big open area. We're going to swerve to that. Sometimes it's just better to start slowing down. Let's go a little bit here. Sometimes it's better just to start applying the brakes and doing progressive braking and stay in this lane. So when that person does come out, you're able to swerve right to that opening gap. Okay, overall, this is a terrible, it's terrible. Not much you could do. I mean, he's going 60. I wonder what the speed limit is. So we both kind of swerved into each other.